What's up, tax savers? So I had some follow-up questions on exactly how the itemized versus standard deduction works and is changing. So I want to do a breakdown of a side-by-side example of what someone looks like in 2017 versus what someone looks like in 2018. So this is someone who makes $100,000 a year salary, is married, filing joint. They have a $600,000 home and a $500,000 mortgage on that home. So in 2017, their standard deduction would be $12,700. That means if they didn't have any of these other deductions, that's what they would get as a deduction against their taxable income. So you only itemize if your total of your itemized deductions is above and beyond the standard deduction. So in this case, they live in California, so if they made $100,000 a year, they'd probably end up paying about $6,000 in state income tax. And then we're assuming 1.1% on property taxes of $600 is $6,600 in property tax. So those combined are $12,600 in tax deduction. A mortgage interest, so let's say if they have 4% on their $500,000 mortgage, is $20,000 of interest. And then we have charitable contributions of $5,000. They're giving away a good chunk to charity. So in this case, their itemized deductions would be $37,600. Under the new tax law, we have the standard deduction increases to $24,000. Now this $12,600 gets limited to $10,000, like we shared in a previous video. The state and property taxes combined limit is $10,000. The interest still stays the same because the new limit is deductible on a $750,000 balance. They're under that at $500. So they still get a $20,000 deduction, and they still get charitable contributions. Total itemized deductions of $35,000. So you can see the difference is not huge. They still have the itemized deductions. And if I'm looking at their tax bracket for the new numbers, they actually get a drop from 28% on their federal tax rate down to either 22 or 24%, depending on exactly where they're at. So their itemized deductions goes down $2,600, but they get a 4% savings in tax. So the net effect, $4,000 savings on the tax bracket, $2,600 of increased standard itemized deduction. So hopefully that breakdown helps. And if you've got any questions, drop it in the comments, or if you want some more examples like this run, please let me know and we'll do some more like this. So we'll see you next time.
Words that I say, downtown the lights out, but we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go.